Guys, good news! Today's video is going to be very important. Boss, this game starts with the second popular opening pawn d4, then black play pawn c5. This is called the old Benoni defense. Today I want to talk to you about taking this pawn. Now we will play pawn e6. It attacked white c5 pawn. Now white can protect this pawn in 3 ways. First way, bishop e3. It looks like a bad move because white pieces will fall behind to develop. Second way, queen d5. This is not a good move because in the next step, the black horse will jump and land on the c6 square and attack this black queen. Guys, now we will discuss the third way. It's pawn d4. Okay, good. Then you play pawn a5. Pawn takes pawn, queen takes pawn, and check. Blocked by bishop. And finally, black a5 pawn is gone. Going back, at this time, if black tries to get extra protection by a3 pawn, then takes, and finally, white rook is gone. Very bad luck. Okay, guys, going back. So white plays pawn c3. Then pawn takes pawn, again pawn takes pawn. Now you play queen f6. Friends, you will be surprised to know now black will lose his piece. But why? Because this rook has already been attacked by the black queen. Oh god, what a dangerous threat. The only way to avert it is knight sacrifice. Okay, queen takes knight and check. Blocked by bishop. This time you can't take this rook because it's protected by the white queen. So you play queen a3 and keep your mind still and continue this game. I hope you win this game because white already down a piece. This video is end here. If you like this video, definitely subscribe this Chess Dangerous YouTube channel. My next video is coming soon. Hope to see you again. Everyone will be fine. Tata and bye bye.